Ways to prevent sunstroke. Sunstroke or heat stroke is a dangerous health symptom that results from direct exposure to sunlight for a long period of time, or performing an activity and bodily function in a very hot atmosphere. Although the human body has a set of ways and methods to reduce its body temperature, it fails to do so when it gets heat stroke, which leads to its temperature continuing to rise or remain stable and not decrease, so it is recommended to take preventive methods to avoid heat stroke, especially in the summer. Ways to prevent sunstroke. Avoid direct exposure to sunlight. The main cause of heat stroke is the body's exposure to heat, so staying away from direct sunlight, especially on hot days, is one of the first preventive steps to avoid heat stroke. Or use an umbrella, and it is common in the summer for people to sit on the beaches of the seas or public and outdoor places, so the exposure of the body to the sun should be reduced as much as possible by sitting under the beach umbrella or in a nearby shop or restaurant. Avoid going out at the hottest time of the day. The most dangerous time of the day in the heat is the time of noon, and after. It is better to go out early in the morning or in the later hours of that period, if a person wants to enjoy spending his time outside the house, or if it is necessary to go to work, and should avoid training and playing exercises at that time, because it leads to a rise in body temperature above the required limit. And according to studies, the temperature of the sun is strong between 9 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. Drink plenty of fluids. One of the most important causes of heat stroke is the lack of fluid in the body and its dehydration, and this occurs as a result of the body sweating to cool it naturally. Including, and to avoid heat stroke, the following tips must be followed. Water is one of the best drinks that can be drunk inside or outside the house, as well as sports drinks containing mineral salts, if the body is exposed to harsh and strong exercises. Make sure to start the day by drinking plenty of water, especially if a person knows that he will leave his house. Avoid drinking alcohol and caffeine-containing beverages, such as coffee and tea, because they dehydrate the body. You should drink at least 1 liter of fluid every hour or a glass of water every quarter of an hour.